Okay, Lacey, so it looks like we have a work in progress. Okay, this is work in progress. So I'll give you my comments based on what we have here, but understand I can't give a full critique here because it would entail having a complete project. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we have here. Okay, so roll dose recipe, this is good. That's great right there. This is a nice little introductory little illustration. I like that. That's very effective. Let's go ahead and take a look at the instructions. So you have right here, you have 1 cup of rolled oats. At this distance, that little 1 cup there, it's not visible. Plus, we can't use any words in this at all. So keep that in mind. All right, this doesn't look like a cup. It looks like a tiny little, like a quarter a cup or something like that. Typically, this would be depicted by a measuring cup, something like this, right? So let's show that. This is too bulky and black, though. We want to reduce that. Maybe a contour drawing of a cup. And then in that cup, you would show the actual oats. Like take these little oats right here, duplicate, reduce the size and put them inside the cup to indicate the oats. That'll create a nice visual continuation from the oats on the package to the oats in the cup. Then you want to show the water, milk, and you also want to depict the fact that this is water, milk, or a combination of both. Right now, it's not. You're saying water or, can't use or. We want to let the viewer know that they can use 2 cups of water, or 2 cups of milk, or a combination of both. So let's work on that frame right there. Over here, this 2 can't use it, right? I mean, show 2 cups actually. Show a cup of water, cup of milk. Show them being poured in. Then the oats are being added as well. And then bring to a simmer, stirring occasionally. This is bring to a simmer, stirring occasionally. However, it doesn't say at this point that this is 10 to 20 minutes at all. 10 to 20 minutes doesn't come until after you add the salt, butter, etc. Okay, so at this point you would indicate here, this is the heat, the good temperature right there. That's showing the temperature is set to a low heat, but the temperature gauge right there is the same as the temperature gauge here, which is indicating an even lower heat. So that's a little inconsistent right there. At any rate, that's good. You're showing the temperature and then you're showing stirring. So the temperature being on a low heat, as indicated here, will indicate simmer. Okay, so from that point, let's go ahead and just finish this thing out and go ahead and resubmit. Now, I'll be glad to make comments on your progress, but definitely take those comments into consideration before you move forward. All right, Lacey, great start. If you have any questions at all, of course, I'm right here. Please let me know. Thank you very much.